Hey everyone, welcome back to another session with Mr. Gold in the driving seat. We'll start off with some analysis and update from Sunday's chart ideas, and then we'll follow up with some racing. Last week we introduced our simulator on a track with no cars, but already just the vibrations from the engine, the motion, the haptic feedbacks from all the devices, it adds so much to the realism. And when you add cars to the track, the adrenaline takes it to a whole new level. So hopefully you guys can see me in action. But first, let's start with our 1 hour chart that we shared on Sunday. These are the levels that we were looking at. And if I hit play, and you can see targets are all smashed. Now, due to the momentum, we didn't get EMA 5 lock confirmation, but the body closes were enough of a confirmation for those gaps to be open and completed. Now, let's look at our 4 hour chart. And that's our 4 hour chart, and let's hit play. And perfect. We've got our first target at 4999. Let's just zoom in. 4999, and the next one was 5082. And you can see 499 and 5082 both done. Again, no EMA 5 lock confirmations. We just had the body close to confirm the first target, and then the glitch candle completed that and the one after. We are now looking for EMA 5 cross and lock above 4082 for a confirmation for the next level, which is 5156. However, if we don't get EMA 5 cross and lock, even a body close above that will give us some primary confirmation, and obviously EMA 5 lock will further confirm it. And immediately we'd be looking for 499 to give us some support if we get a slight correction, and it will always also complete our glitch gap from the opening candle. So this area 4999 will be a nice area for some correction and establish some support, but keeping in mind that if we get a break below that level, we also have a gap left open at 4923. So ideally, we'd like some correction to those levels to give us some confidence to get back in. As you know, we've always been bullish for the last 4 years on the channel, and we continue to ride the bull. But when you start breaking strong psychological levels, yes, we do still take setups like we did this morning. People were scared to take positions in this new range. We were still taking it strong. Even this morning, we completed a setup. However, the safest way in this range to take positions is still stay with the trend. We're not going to start selling. A lot of retail traders think price has gone up, it's going to come down, let's sell. That's dangerous. You need to get out of that kind of mentality. We still stay with the trend, so we're still buying, but the safest way to take positions is add positions from pullbacks. So we'd like to see some pullbacks on those level of supports. All of these levels of support shared on TradingView, that you can see all of these levels, they're weighted gold turns. So they're generated via our algorithm, and if you backtest our historical data, you will see they always give us some reaction, even if it's 30 to 40 pip reactions. So ideally, the safest way to trade is look for pullbacks and then stay with the same direction in terms of the trend, and we can see the trend is still bullish. So all we'd look to do is add positions from those pullbacks. In terms of chasing from the top, only if we get a confirmed lock confirmation for a setup, then we chase from the top. So that's it. That's our analysis from the driving seat for today, and we'll now start racing.